Hey, this is Jared with Take a Sec, Learn a Spec. Today we're talking about the strap that turned the camera world upside down, the classic RS4. So let's take it back to 2008, when Black Rapid introduced the RS1, 2, and 3, featuring the first generation fastener and connector. It was the debut of the Sling system, and for the first time ever, the camera was being hung upside down. These products all led up to the current RS4 design. The RS4 features a ballistic nylon, simple, low-profile storage zipper pocket, perfect for batteries, memory cards, and business cards. The comfortable, lightweight foam padding, made with polyester mesh on the shoulder, is compatible for both left and right-handed shooters. The Classic made Black Rapid the world's fastest camera strap. This has been Take a Sec, Learn a Spec. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter for prize giveaways and special product information. And if you're going to make a purchase on blackrapid.com, you can apply the promo code at the end of this video for free shipping in the US. Thanks a lot.